All right, friends, for this activity, you're going to need some paint. I'm choosing to use 3 different color paints. They are acrylic paint, so you can find that at a craft store or at Walmart if you don't have any at home. Piece of paper. I have a wide paintbrush and a little bit of water. The most important thing is we need some tubes, either a toilet paper tube or you can use a paper toweling tube. I'm going to use both of them. It depends how many stamps you want to make. So I'm going to cut this in half. So if you have a paper towel tube, you're going to want to cut it. All right. And then you're going to need either rubber bands or tape. Tape would work as well. So what I'm going to do is pinch one side like this. Pinch it and make a point. All right. And then I'm going to kind of hold my fingers there, and then I'm going to push the top down and indent it in. Like that. You can probably see what shape I'm making. Let's see which side looks better. Then I'm going to put my rubber band on there to keep that shape. Okay, I'm going to make 3. We're going to use these as stamps. Okay. Same thing, I'm going to pinch this all the way down. All right, with the paper toweling tube, I'm not going to use the side that I cut because that might be a little more uneven. A little difficult bending it in. If you need a little help with that, that's okay. Okay, I'm going to put my rubber band. Right, put that in there. Okay. All right, so I'm going to put my paint on a plate that I use for when I do crafts. All right, so I'm going to start with my red heart. All right, I'm just going to kind of dip it in there and see if that comes out well. Otherwise, you might use your brush to put it onto your stamper. Oh, I see that. To kind of get a little more in the center, kind of rock it back and forth a little bit to get all that paint down. Oh, that's being a little stubborn. Let's see if this one comes out better. There we go. add some more colors. Let's see if this works better to get my stamper loaded up with some paint. Go either way. So either you can make a more specific pattern, or you can just kind of go randomly like I am. Let's add our blue. I think I like just dabbing it into the glue, or I mean the paint on the plate. Oh, that one did the same thing on me. Here we go. Kind of overlap some of these. I think I'm going to then, even now that I've got quite a few down on the paper, I'm going to dab it in one paint and then maybe go into the other paint a little bit too, so it'll be multicolored. All right, friends, so make sure you have a safe space to let your painting dry. And then you have either some artwork to hang up, or you can make it into a card.